Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Role of macronutrients for a healthy life of children. What are macronutrients? Macronutrients are those nutrients needed by our body in large amounts. They include protein, fats, and carbohydrates. So, what is protein? Protein is a nutrient or a molecule made up of small units called amino acids. 9 of these come from the diet, known as essential amino acid, while others naturally made by the body, known as non-essential amino acids. Importance of protein for children. Protein is vital for children's growth as they are growing rapidly, and it is also important for the repair and maintenance of the body. The major food sources include meat, cheese, milk, egg, and other meat products. The recommended protein intake is 0.8 gram per kg body weight. Here is some examples of protein-rich snacks for children, which include egg sandwich, chicken nugget, oats cookie, whole wheat noodles, chicken cutlet, slice of pizza, as well as fish stick. Here is a sample menu of protein that fulfill a child's daily requirements. Fats. Fats are defined as a group of substances including fats, oils, and other related compounds that are greasy to touch and insoluble in water. The chemical name for fat is triglyceride. Importance of fats for children. The major role of fat is to supply fuel for the body, which is essential for normal brain development as well as it gives taste and flavor to food. The major food sources include egg yolk, nuts, butter, milk, cheese, meat, as well as seeds. The recommended fat intake is 20 to 35% of total calories. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the chemical substances in foods that consist of single or multiple sugar molecules. Simple sugars known as mono and disaccharides, while complex sugars are known as polysaccharides. Importance of carbohydrates for children. Carbohydrates are the most important source of energy and can also act as a protein sphere. The major food sources include plant-based food, while milk is the only animal source. The recommended carbohydrates intake is 45 to 65% of total calories. Thank you so much for your attention. Jazakallah.